In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on email tracking in Hubspot. So this quick setup helps you see when people open your emails and click your links, so you can follow up at the right time and improve results. So first, go to Hubspot, log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. If you already logged in, great, you're one step ahead. Now look at the top navigation bar, find the settings icon, the little gear, and click it. So think of settings as the control center of your account. On the left sidebar inside settings, scroll to the options menu, and then under the data management section, look for objects, hover to show the submenu, then click activities. So the activities page is where you manage CRM interactions like calls, emails, and meetings. With activities open, look at the tabs, click the email log and track tab. So this tab holds the settings for email logging and tracking, so you can understand how people interact with what you send. So here is the key step. So on this page, find the checkbox that says allow all users to track emails and see when recipients open and click on their emails. So make sure it's checked. So when this is on, your whole team can track emails too. Shared insights help everyone see what gets attention and make smarter follow ups. So by using this feature, you'll spot what readers respond to and shape better messages next time. And that's it. You've turned on email tracking in HubSpot. So from here, you'll know when your emails are opened and when links are clicked. So this signals makes it easier to reach out at the right moment and keep your conversations moving forward. So thank you so much for watching. So for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and see you on the next one.